What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to be doing a battery change on a Lincoln Smart Key. This Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we're also going to need a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the Smart Key. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and that'll allow the key to slide out. We'll just set that to the side. Now if we take our screwdriver and we stick the tip in where that key just slid out of, and then we're going to pry up. So stick the tip in there and then pry up. And go ahead and take the shell apart. And if we look in the back, we can see the battery right here. And you can use your screwdriver to help get the old battery out, get under the edge of it. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. So we have that installed with the plus side down. You can snap the two halves back together, and then go ahead and put your emergency key back in. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.